American 17.2, status 4 Alpha Wind 30017, that's CT 31, so take off.
Let's take off 31, American 19, 1722.
American 17.2, kind of spot it.
Mayday, 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 American 1722, engine failure.
Okay, American 17.2, roger, you make the right down for runway 31.
We're too heavy, let's go to Kennedy.
Kennedy? Okay, roger. Okay. Alright, just maintain 2,000 feet right now, and where's the heading?
Again for American 1722.
17.2, maintain 2,000, that's the heading, we're reporting it right now.
2000, American 1722.
17.2, can you continue flying, or you have to maintain 2,000?
We can continue, American 1722.
American 17.2, alright, continue climbing to 5,000, continue climbing to 5,000, contact approach now, 0.4, they're going to reroute.
5,000, American 1722.
2.2, contact approach, 120.4.
20.4, American 1722. American 1722.
American 1722, near approach, your radar contact, take that same intentions when able.
We'd like to land at Kennedy, please.
Alright, so are you able to climb up to 4 or 5,000?
5,000, American 1722.
American 1722, turn right heading 090, maintain 5,000, either vectors to Kennedy, and looks like 31 right.
31 right, American 1722.
1722, when able, say intentions of the emergency, the nature of the emergency, and hold on board and fuel when able.
Okay, stand by on the sold and fuels. It appears we have an engine failure, but we're still kind of working through to figure out what's going on. We hit birds on the way out.
Roger. American 1722, turn right heading 270, intercept localizer 31 left.
270 heading, intercept 31 left, American 1722.
American 1722, maintain 3,000, full time localizer cut ILS 31 left.
3,000, clear the ILS 31 left, American 1720.
American 1722, contact tower 123.9er.
239, American 1722. American 1722 with you, ILS 31 left.
American 1722, Kennedy Tower, cautioning turbulence, a heavy Airbus 330 will depart prior to your arrival, wind 310 at 13. Traffic off your right side inbound for the parallel, and Airbus 321 out is 2000. Runway 31 left, clear to land.
American 1722, we're in emergency. Can you just clear us to land, please, without having to worry about departing traffic?
Yeah, I was giving you the cautionary turbulence because it's a heavy. Runway 31 left, clear to land, American 1722.
Clear to land, 31 left, American 1722.